G'day! In today's video I've got a HP EliteBook 850 G3 and we're going to replace the battery, which has the model number CS03XL. Now we have to take these little covers off that are dotted all around. There. And then we proceed to take the screws out from here. I'll let you know if any of these screws are of different length. So far, all the same. And a few more little covers. Go. With all them taken out, we should hopefully be able to pop the bottom. Wait for it to go pop pop. No. Very stubborn. Let's see what cover here we got. Ah. Another little screw here. If it wants to leave. There we go. There we go. We're off. Now, one very tiny battery just down here. I'm going to assume we have to do one screw, two screw, they stay in the battery. There's a little pull tab, lift up, and we're out. This battery was originally manufactured in 2016 or 05 2016. This one's manufactured or remanufactured in 2023 07. So a considerably younger battery doesn't always necessarily mean a good battery. I've seen plenty of ones that are almost brand new and then go terribly. Is this in a screwy? Kind of. Under. That screw's refusing to line up. What's going on? There's a broken tab there. The other one didn't unscrew. There we go. Drop in, push over the side. Go in. A little bit of plastic there. Come on now. There we go. Screw. Screw. Now this one doesn't want to screw. Come on now. I thought the screw's too small. No, there's also a bit of plastic smashed off in there. There we go. Good. Oh. No, that one doesn't want to go. Luckily, this screw over here is where it's going to hold it. And these tabs here are going to help hold it down. The connection's right here, so we shouldn't have too much of an issue. Put the bottom cover back on. Push all around.